Alright guys, this is the last time you're gonna see the car with this wheel setup. These are a staggered setup, 20 inch all around, 8.5 in the front, 10 inch in the rear. These are the niche or niche, I don't know how you say it, GT3 or GT5 M133 model. Well guys, this was like an impulse buy. I don't even know, man. This happened Monday and I got the wheels in today, which is Wednesday. It's like a 2-day shipping because I live in Texas and I ordered them from LMR. So they're located about, what, like 8 hours away, 9 hours away. It's in Waco, Texas. And I'm on my way. Well, I'm about to take off. My brother's gonna drive the truck. The wheels already loaded up. I'm gonna go to the tire shop and have everything installed. It's getting late, have the baby and everything, so I really can't just be like out here doing this kind of stuff right now because my wife's at work. So I don't know, man. Try to guess what color I went with before I even get there. Honestly, I don't even know what to say. I like the setup that I have, but it wasn't enough. And I think because, I don't know, I think because they're not just thick enough or wide enough in the rear, like I don't like the fitment. I like for the wheels to be sticking out a bit more. So the new wheels have a better offset than this, so they should be a little bit wider. Plus I'm gonna be riding with a wider tire. It's a 9.5 all around, so I'm hoping the stance is gonna be a lot better. And it's a 19-inch wheel, this is a 20-inch wheel. So I have some plans, guys, and with that 19-inch wheel, that's gonna help out, or it's gonna help put together the puzzle with what I wanna go with in the near future. I haven't talked to you guys about this yet, but like I said, it was just an impulse thing, and I'm in a different phase now with the car. I'm gonna leave it for another video, that way we can get coordinated on what the plans are for the car right now. But new wheels, guys, try to guess again. Leave in the comment section down below what wheels do you guys think I got. They're from LMR, they're kind of similar to the ones I used to have, not exactly, but it just wasn't doing it for me. Man, guys, I'm pretty nervous. Like I said, this was an impulse buy on Monday. You know when you when something bad happens or you feel like something bad's gonna happen, you get like that knot in your stomach, or like you feel like you have something in your throat. That's how it was Monday. The whole day I was like, man, did I make a good decision? What I just did, was it like stupid for me to do? But I just wasn't feeling the wheels that I have right now. I just wanted something different. Don't get me wrong, they're nice wheels. I love the 5-spoke wheels, but I don't know why it just wasn't doing it for me. I had to go a different route, and y'all know I had those downforce wheels from LMR prior to these, but then I got in the car accident, and then so I hopped on these thinking I was gonna fall in love with them, and it's been about a month and it wasn't enough, man. So here we are with new wheels. Well guys, there goes the new owner of my old wheels. Y'all saw him on the last video. Haven't seen the video yet, go check it out. But he came on the other video, Juan. He picked up my 20-inch wheels right there. Looks good, man. He has some base wheels and just looks so much different. Look at that. I think these wheels just look a lot better on the S550s than on the S197s. There you have it. We're back on the bronze train, the bronze wheel train right there. I just couldn't do black, man. Not anymore. Not after going bronze once. It's just, I had to go with these babies right here. Although these aren't so much bronze, they kind of have like a more gold flake to it. I prefer the color on the other wheels, but nonetheless, to me, looks a lot better than the old ones I used to have. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys prefer the black 5-spoke wheels, or do you guys like this bronze goldish with the more spokes type style rim for the car. These are SVE wheels, guys, and they did went ahead and sent me out some goodies that come with the wheels. Just some warranty stuff, and oh, I guess not so much goodies, but I get a air pressure little thing, tool, and some SVE stickers. I was gonna get like a keychain or something, but nope, that's pretty much it. I feel more comfortable with these wheels. The ride quality so much different. I usually have always ran 20-inch wheels. Now I'm on 19s, so this rim is a lot smaller, and I am running a fatter tire on the front and the rear 285s all around. So I do like the stance there, and they did hook pretty good. A while ago I did give it a little a full sand, and I mean, it gripped pretty good, it hooked well. I'm still deciding on the color of the calipers that I want to go with. Right now I have, it's not red candy, but it's kind of similar to the paint. I'm thinking of redoing them the same color that I have right now, or I'm thinking about going yellow still because I feel like they're going to stand out behind the wheel. But I don't know, guys. I just really liked my old wheels, and I didn't jump on the other wheels because they've been out of stock for quite some time now, those downforce wheels. But these, honestly, are getting the job done. Maybe I'll switch wheels later on down the path, but I do have a phase that I'm going through, a little plan that I do have that I haven't talked to you guys about yet, so stay tuned for that. It's all gonna tie together. These wheels might go, well, not go, but they'll be put on hold for a bit. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Thank you all for staying tuned. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Drop down a like on the video if you did enjoy it, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. God bless.